welcome into the kitchen. How are you tonight? I am Wendy, your kitchen chaos coordinator, and we have been out running errands all day and come home, and it's one of those, hey, let's fix something quick but good nights. And so tonight, what's for dinner is a salmon with a lemon garlic butter sauce with asparagus. I picked up some asparagus yesterday as well. This is so easy on a sheet pan. And then we're gonna have a pasta with a rosé sauce on the side. So good, so good. So while you grab your chair and your spoon, I will tell you what we need for tonight's dinner. Now listen, you don't go grabbing a pencil and pen, don't go grabbing anything that you need to, open your notes app on your phone. Not needed, not needed. Recipes always, always in the description below. So you got this. You just need to come in and sit down and enjoy chatting with me tonight while we make a sheet pan dinner. We're gonna cook salmon with a garlic butter sauce and asparagus. So of course, this is like 4 ingredients, right? All we need. You need 4 patties of salmon. It's just hubby and I, so just 2. Again, as the side, I'm going to do a pasta with a rosé sauce, so it's sitting there. You need the asparagus. I like to get the smaller asparagus, so I kind of picked the smaller bunches instead of the bigger, fatter ones. And then I'm even going to trim these up a little bit more, so I like the tenderer parts. And this whole thing of asparagus, $1.83 at the regular grocery store, not Walmart. So you think, oh, we can't have asparagus, that's too much money. This was so inexpensive. So good on us, we're gonna do that. And then for the garlic butter sauce, we're gonna use a couple of pats of butter, a couple tablespoons. We're gonna use some lemon zest, 3 cloves of garlic, some salt, pepper, and some paprika. So easy. All right, let me take 2 minutes and get all this prepped and come back to you, and we'll throw it all on our sheet pan and get it cooking. All right, set your oven to 425. Here we go. Whoa, I almost lost the whole thing. All right, so you can see on a piece of parchment paper, all I've done is lay the 2 pieces of salmon down, and then I've taken the asparagus and I've cut it down maybe by 2 inches, just 2 inches. And I've laid it all nicely around the salmon. And then in the microwave, I melted 2 tablespoons of butter, and I added the zest of that lemon and 1/2 teaspoon paprika plus 3 cloves of garlic. I mean, so easy, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna, and I have these lemon slices. Oh, you can't really see them. They're over here. I'll move them over. I have the lemon slices ready to put around it as well after it's done cooking. So what we wanna do is we just wanna drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the whole thing. Just a little drizzle, little drizzle. And then we're gonna salt and pepper. And I've got the pasta back there boiling, so we should be good to go. Okay, salt and pepper, our asparagus. And then we want to take this mixture here. Again, that's melted butter, lemon zest, and a little bit of paprika and some garlic. You guys, this is so easy. You can do this. You can do this. And we're just going to drizzle it. Spoon it, drizzle it over our salmon. So just gonna, and I'm just using the little 1/2 teaspoon from the paprika just to give it a little bit more power, like control of where I'm putting it. And that is it. We're gonna put this in the oven. It's 425 for 12 to 15 minutes until that salmon flakes. My salmon is not frozen, it's completely ready to go, so it's probably gonna be closer to that 12-minute piece. But let's get this going. I'll finish this and we'll pop it in the oven. So ready. Ready? Let's go. Really, really, these are meals that you could keep on hand in the freezer. Usually you have a lemon in your pantry. That's kind of a staple item. Paprika is a staple item. Butter's a staple item. The salmon, watch for when it goes on special. Buy one, get one. You've got one to cook now and one set to cook later. So easy to do, and you feel like usually restaurants are the only places that cook salmon. Well, guess what? We can cook the salmon too. We can have that confidence to do it. And it's so good and so good for you. And like I said, the asparagus, I could not believe the price. Amazing. So we're good to go. Everything's in the oven. I'm just gonna clean this up while we're waiting the 12 to 15 minutes, and I'll catch you on this backside. If you like what you're seeing, you hit that thumb. I think it's over here. Can you hit that thumb for me? And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. We're trying to get to that 300 by the end of March, and we got 30 people left, so I just need 30 new friends. That's easy. That's nothing. I can make that up at dance class. What? Who's going to dance? Who said dance? Not this klutz. All right, see you in a minute. Oh, goodness. Smooch just came out into the kitchen to get a quick sniff as I was pulling it out of the oven. I accidentally booted her on the little nose. Oh, I'm so sorry, Smooch. Oh, and now Buddy thinks there's trouble. Buddy, is there trouble? You're on your way to rescue? Such a good boy. Look at this. This is 12 minutes in the oven, and everything is perfectly done and ready to go. I am so excited. And our pasta with it was called creamy rosé. And again, buy one, get one. So you know you're gonna do the Alfredo. Let's get this one for, just to give it a try. Delish. Cannot wait. Let's get this plated up and I'll meet you in the kitchen 15 minutes later, and we have a delicious, healthy dinner ready to go. Oh, yum. I can't wait to dig in. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Meet you in the kitchen. My. What a quick, easy, delicious dinner we've created. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen tonight as we made sheet pan salmon with lemon garlic butter and asparagus. Delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Thanks so much for all your likes, for your subscribes, and joining me every night on this channel. Well, 3 times a week anyway, aren't we? We're together. I'm cooking every night, so I just think you're here with me all the time. Oh my gosh. Anyway, stay tuned for a Zen moment. We've had some beautiful sunsets, purples and blues and grays as the winter is turning into spring and the time has now stepped forward. Wow, we're a little tired this week, maybe a little tired. So it's a good thing we got this dinner going. Quick and easy. All right, my friends, thank you so much, and we will see you next time. Have a wonderful night. Bye.